I trade Assist Roberto for Forex Circle, and this is the analysis for Thursday, Asian session, May 23rd. What we're looking at is the daily chart on the USD CAD. Notice the price just shot up and broke this major trend line. Then it came back down to retest that level. Now we're going to scroll down to the 1 hour chart, and this shaded area is a cluster of support from this huge tail of this pin bar. So what do we have now coming into the day? The market did sell off, found support at a previous support level. We have a nice pin bar followed by a color change candle. We're long right now on this pair. Stochastics indicator on both the 21 and 14 are oversold. So this is a good area to sell. I'm sorry, to buy, and then our stop loss is below this pin bar here, which is 102.80 area. And we're targeting the swing points, which are actually the fib levels. First one, 38.50 and 61. Price should go back all the way up to at least 130.30, and that's about 30-40 pips away. And again, 102.80 is the stop loss, and 103.30, 103.40 would be a good target, especially if it breaks this trend line, which is the trend line now, which is actually right at the trend line. But I'm placing this trade based on this price action. Pin bar, color change candle, prices starting to turn north, starting to go bullish, and stochastic indicator on both the 21 and 14 are oversold. On this chart, we see USD yen. Market sold off, broke a major trend line. Now it's starting to retrace. It's hitting 50%, his 61% retracement level. We're looking for a color change candle, pin bar, anything that will signify that this rundown is not over. So we're going to be placing a trade as soon as we see some sort of exhaustion around these levels, 61%. This whole shaded area, we look at, this is a 4 hour chart. So this is the resistance level from here to here. This is the retracement, and we're looking for price exhaustion around these levels, maybe starting even right now, because this is a swing low that was breached, now becomes resistance. So we'll look for, let's go on the 1 hour chart. So we're just looking for a color change candle around these levels, around 61%. And the only way this can turn around and convince us that we're still in an uptrend is if it breaks the swing highs of 103.64, and then we're going to be seeing 104.40, 104.74. Okay, so that's USD yen. This next chart is a pound dollar, and we're in its channel. If I look at the 4 hour chart, price has been going down. It rallied, gave us a color change candle on a 4 hour chart. And we go back to the 1 hour chart, starting to print lower. And I feel more comfortable if it was below the 21 moving average line, but this is a color change. Not quite a color change candle, but price exhaustion at a major resistance level. And if we just highlighted this huge wick here, which is the resistance, so its whole shaded area is all resistance level, and prices reacting to those levels and turning around and heading south. On the pound Swiss, this channel has been broken, has been breached on the bottom, and it's starting to retrace. We go to smaller time frame, 4 hour chart, we've got a pin bar and market is retracing, but I'm looking for exhaustion at this region up here. Again, here's this whole area. The market has been really choppy in the past in the whole month of May. Highs and lows, finally broke to the downside, broke the channel on the daily chart, on the 4 hour chart, but it's finding strong support, so we're going to wait and see what it does up at that 61% retracement level. This whole shaded area, price is below the main pivot point. See if we find an exhaustion candle up at these levels, then we can sell again. Pound yen making a strong comeback. Price just sold off, gave us a pin bar, a strong pin bar. So this whole level right now is considered a very strong support from here to here. But we're still in the downtrend. Let's see if it can manage to break above these swing points. It would have to break that trend line. So still short on this pair. not actually in a trade right now, but waiting for price to come back up to the main pivot point or around that level, see if we have a price exhaustion, and then let's see if we have a trade to sell around that level. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the trade room. Tomorrow is 5 a.m. Eastern on Friday. Remember, the hours have changed for the trade room. If you didn't receive the email, please shoot me an email and I'll send you the new trading schedule. Have a good weekend.